Sometimes a good design on paper does not always mean it will work in real life. In today's transformation story, we are sharing how we redesigned a bedroom for an IT professional, turning a confusing 3D layout into a practical, peaceful retreat.
I'm glad we took this decision because now we get ample space.
Our client came to us with a 3D design in hand, but the question was how to execute it. It looked great on screen, but it wasn't aligned with the space functionality. The layout made the bedroom feel open, yes, but not private. Here is the twist. The room was placed right near the entrance. Anyone getting ready would be directly visible from the living area. That's not ideal, especially when you want your personal space to stay personal. So we reimagined the plan. We introduced a smart partition, creating a walk-in wardrobe zone that acted like a buffer between the bedroom and the entrance. So we reimagined the plan. We introduced a smart partition, creating a walk-in wardrobe zone that acted like a buffer between the bedroom and the entrance. This made the room not just look stylish but sensible.
Because now we get ample space here to get ready, and now I have a proper dressing room. Happy with the decision.
Let me tell you, initially the client wasn't sure. They wanted the room to feel bigger. But once we explained the logic, the lifestyle impact, and how zoning add value, they trusted the process. We used a calming grey palette, something our client naturally resonated with. It reflects his personality, minimal, modern, and mature.
And then the grey theme of this room is very good. Like, I like the color of, something dark, and then it matches. So I like the grey color. And then
design is never just about looks. It's about making your lifestyle smoother. This bedroom went from confusing to clarity, and that's what good design does.
it's enough. Actually, it's enough. Like, we get the proper amount of wardrobe and then bedroom. It's a separate, so it's good. Like, we can get ready without, noticing by others. So that is good.
If you love this transformation, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real design stories. And if you're stuck with a 3D you can't decode, DM us. We will help you make it real.
So everything is good. Thanks, Misha, for designing it.